Hey everyone, Aussie Viking here. So we got our metal crate, which again, no awesome artwork, which I actually do miss because the artwork was amazing. But hey, you never know. Maybe they'll bring it back for special ones. So let's open her up straight away. I didn't even know I was getting it, and I also got two legendary collections, which I will be unboxing on the channel. Although weirdly enough, the sealed one is lighter, and the non-sealed one is not lighter. I don't know. But hey, they were from reputable sources, so we'll see how that goes. But today is metal, and it's time to get. I'm gonna use these. It's time for some metal. Although I totally understand why some people are like, well, dude, metal, crazy. Although Yu-Gi-Oh's quite metal too, so you never know. Oh wow. Okay, I saw the bulge and I'm like, what the hell is that? This is a great start. Drinking back to life. This is what I live for. That's amazing. I'm drinking out of this. Like, I don't know if I could wear that at work, drink it at work, use it at work. Maybe I can, I don't know. But that is great. I mean, it's only like, what, 500 mils maybe? But hey, you know what? Made in the USA, so might be quality, I don't know. But like, that is sick. Drink it back to life. Fill it full of like red blood. That is sick. That is a 10 out of 10 already. You can't beat it. Alright, what else we got? We got the pin. I have no idea what that is. It looks like a zombie with pus or creme de la creme coming out of their face. But you know what? It looks pretty sick. I'm not going to lie. I think it's a zombie. I hope it's a zombie. It's probably a zombie, but hey, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm going to put you there. Alright, what else we got? We got the CDs, which is... I've found some very good bands from these CDs, so it'll be very interesting to see what we get. Okay, hang on. Anaphagosity malignant necrocy. I don't know what that says, but it does look pretty sick. Probably death metal. Looks very death metal. Could be death thrash, I guess, because I do have more thrashy side of things, but not bad. Nice artwork. Very violent, very gory, obviously. So it looks good. Cannot pronounce the name of it, but hey, it looks great. What else we got? We'll see if that's everything. Yep, alright. So, oh, the t-shirt looks pretty sick. They always have sick t-shirts. Again, no patches. Really hate that. Really wish we got some more patches because the patches were really awesome, but oh well. Alright, what's this one? That Vercrixis Delorament. Delorament? I have no idea. Again, there's a lot of bands that I just can't pronounce, but it does look pretty sick in terms of art, and it looks quite nice. That looks like a priest or a monk or a monk nun. I don't know. It looks good though. I'll definitely jam them today. And then we got the t-shirt, which Zolita. I don't know what it says, but it looks very sick. It looks very sci-fi, gory, very wonderful. I'm digging it. I dig it. I'm gonna be wearing that tomorrow, probably, most likely. But yeah, that's all we get from this metal crate. Great unboxing. Great thing to buy if you're into metal. Of all sorts, thrash, death, and all that. You can choose them all, give or take. I choose the thrash one mainly, but sometimes it's a bit mixed. But hey, you get cool stuff like this, which is amazing. Like, I love it. I mean, I've got that tattooed on me, so of course I'm gonna love it. But I'm gonna drink out of this today. Whoop! And of course we got not the patches, because the patches aren't in them anymore, at least not for now. But we got a really cool pin as well, which, to be fair, the pins are amazing. I love that pin. And we got some two great CDs to check out and rock on to. So hey, it's good stuff. You're into music and metal, I highly recommend it. And they come to Australia, they come worldwide, and all good shit. Anyway, Aussie Viking out. See you in Valhalla. Bye.